What's up guys? This is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa BNB Cash. Ayan, so ito yung aking Ton Pocket Wallet. And guess what? I'm going to activate or stake 2.5 BNB. Ayan, dito kay BNB Cash. Kasi naisip ko guys, dumadaan yung mga araw na sasayang. And gusto ko talagang nag-generate tayo at na-maximize yung earning potential. So, I did my best talaga para maipon yung pangkapital ko dito at para makuha natin yung cash number 3 or yung pang third plan ni BNB Cash, which is 2.5 minimum of BNB, and that will earn 3% daily. Okay? So, grabe to guys. Medyo hindi ganun kaliit na halaga yan. So, 1,515 is like how much in Philippine peso? Let's compute. Okay, lagi natin ginagawa yan. Nagko-compute tayo para mas madaling maintindihan. So, 2.5 BNB is 84,000 pesos, guys. Okay? So, eto, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung bakit I'm very confident na ilagay yung capital na to dito kay BNB Cash. Ayan, unang-una, grabe po si BNB bumubulusok, no? So, nung una kong first week na pinopromote natin to, si BNB Cash, nasa 514 lang ang isang BNB. But look how much BNB right now. 1 BNB is 33,000 na guys. So, malaking difference na guys yung yung itinaas niya. Can you imagine from $514 per 1 BNB. Ngayon, nasa $606 na per 1 BNB. So, grabe, 'di ba? So, ayan guys, I've decided na maglagay na sa plan number 3. Okay? Kasi bakit guys? Ito, 3% per day, 'di ba? So, lagi ako nagko-compute, no? Kailangan natin 'yan. So, ito, 2.5 BNB times 3%. Alright? So, ito yung ma-earn natin daily sa 2.5 BNB. So, 0.75. Convert natin yan. 0.075. Ito yung daily earnings ng 2.5 BNB. Okay? Ang maganda kasi dito, parang nag-hold lang ako ng BNB, pero nag-generate siya ng 2,500 every day. Can you imagine that? So, ayoko kasing natutulog yung pera, 'di ba? Ayoko natutulog lang yung pera. Gusto ko nagge-generate din siya. So, while busy ako sa other project, at we only have 2 lang naman, yung MetaX 2.0 at saka itong si BNB Cash. At the same time, hindi natutulog yung pera. Sumasabay siya talaga. Okay? This is very passive, guys. Ayan. And, kaya ako na napag-isip-isip na ilagay na yung 2.5 BNB na yan. Okay? So, 3% per day, guys. So, in just 33 days, okay? In just 33 days, magbe-break even na tayo. So, so 3 times 33 days is 99. So, almost 100% na. So, sabihin na lang natin na 34 days. Okay? So, 34 days times 0.075. Yan yung daily earnings natin, no? Ayan. So, 2.55. Di may tubo pa na 0.05 BNB. Okay? So, in just 33 days, guys, or 34 days, break even na. Okay? Napakabilis lang yan. Balik na agad yung puhunan. So, my strategy is, tatapusin ko muna yung 33 days na yon na nagko-collect ako, nagwi-withdraw ako ng 0.075. Okay? So, para after 33 days, secured na yung capital ko. So, I recommend you do the same, guys. But, of course, kung kaya nyo ng 2.5 BNB, kasi kung nasa plan 2 lang kayo, that's 2.3%. So, hindi siya 33 days. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 100% divide by 2.3. Okay? 43 days bago break even. Alright? So, remember, meron lang tayong 100 days, 'di ba? Para ma-finish yung contract na to. So, dun sa choice ko, kaya ko pinili yung plan number 3 kasi 3% siya. So, ibig sabihin, ilas lang natin yung 34 days. Okay? May 66 days pa na natitira na mag-earn ng points. So, 66 days times 0.075. 0.75 BNB. So, 4.95 BNB yan, guys. 'Di ba? So, ang sabi ko nga, diretso lang to kasi naka-smart contract siya. As long as merong mga taong nagbi-build ng BNB Cash, hindi yan mawawala. Okay? And, meron tayong legit proof. Nandiyan naman na sa YouTube channel. Panoorin nyo lang. At kung bakit ako very confident sa mga projects na to. 100% fully decentralized projects. Okay? Meron tayong reason dyan at proof. Alright, so, at isa pa guys, ito 4.95 yung kikitain, 'di ba, ng 66 days purely profit na to. Na-secured na yung capital after 34 days. Okay? But guess what guys, my next plan after 34 days is magiging mag-alternate ako. So, every other day, magko-compounding and then yun na mga salitan lang yun. So, withdraw and then compounding, then withdraw, compounding. That's my strategy. Okay? So, eto guys, no, pagka ginamit natin yung strategy ng compounding. So, eto, meron akong compounding calculator dito. Ayan. I-compute natin, no? So, US dollars natin, guys. Okay, magkano yun? So, 2.5 BNB is that's 1,514. O, sabihin na natin 1,515, okay? So, 1,515, ayan. Tapos, 3% daily, okay? So, ayan, nakalagay daily. And then, gawin nating 66 days na lang kasi within 34 days, hindi muna tayo magko-compounding. So, puro withdraw muna yan. So, ito, 66 days, okay? And then, ayan, fill out lang natin. So, eto, include all days of the week. And yes, everyday nagge-generate tayo, no? So, i-compute na natin. Let's calculate. So, eto guys, ang kapalit ng 2.5 BNB ko or 1,500 US dollars. Okay? And labas na yung capital dito, di ba? Kasi nga, yung 34 days na yun ay winidraw na natin. So, ito ay purely profit. Alright? So, kinompounding natin yan, guys. So, ito purely compounding to guys, no? And sabi ko nga, nasa discard nyo na lang yan kung gusto nyo mag-take profit. Okay, pwede naman yon, take profit today, then tomorrow, compounding. The next day, take profit. So, ganun po. Nasa sa inyo na lang kung anong strategy yung gusto nyo gawin. So, by November 29, ayan na po ang aking magiging return of investment. Diba? Napakalupit niyan guys. Kaya naman, tara na, gawin na natin ang pag-stake. Okay? So, of course, kukunin ko dito yung referral link. So, of course, ito strategy ko din, guys. So, you can make your second account. Ayan, para yung 5% na referral commission, masagap ng first account nyo. Okay? I recommend you do that. So, it doesn't matter for me as long as kayo po ay kumita din ng referral link. You can also do that. So, you can create your second account and then dun nyo ilagay yung malalaking amount or yung yung pang big time na capital nyo. Okay, so ayun yung gagawin ko ngayon. Punta tayo dito sa token packet. Ito yung gamit ko, no? So ayan, ready na yung funds. So punta lang tayo sa discover. Okay, and then ipe-paste natin dito yung referral link na kinapin natin. So this is my main account, okay? Ayan, then click lang natin yung arrow na to, go to website, click continue. Okay, so when you're here, yan, eto na, i-connect muna natin yung wallet. So, connect wallet, I'm using token packet, select token packet, ayan, connected na siya. So, make sure na tama yung wallet address nyo. If everything's good, then you can start to stake na. Okay, so dito, sa amount, sa enter stake amount tayo. So, dito sa unang-una yan guys ha. So, sabi ko nga, I have, how much is it again? So, hold on. Wait lang, I forgot the amount. So, double check ko lang guys. So, ayan. This is 2.5. Okay. So, 2.5 then. Sige, 2.5 na lang, sakto na lang natin. Isakto ko na lang yung amount. Okay, so, balik tayo dito. I-paste ko na lang ulit para sure. Ayan. So, connected na siya. So, dito lalagay natin 2.5. Ayan. Okay. So, ito makikita rin naman natin dito yung calculation yan. So, mag-earn to ng 0.075 BNB per day. So, regardless kung pababa or pataas man yung value, as long as nag-earn tayo ng BNB, it doesn't matter. Okay? Kahit bumaba man yan ng konti, okay lang. Ang importante, same amount ng BNB yung na-earn natin. So, okay. So, this is all set now. Ready na yan. And nakita natin 3% per day, no? So, let's do this, guys. Let's click on stake. Alright, click confirm. So, I'm very excited, guys. Ayan. So, this is my stats. Ayan, makikita nyo dito kung magkano no, sa stats nyo. Screenshot lang natin yan. Ito, this is my very first day. What's the date today? It's September 24. Okay, ayan, start na agad pumatak yung earnings, diba? So, ito yung aking total stake, 2.5. And nakalagay naman dyan yung percentage per day. That's 3%. Alright, so, ayan, no, pumapatak na agad yung BNB. So, ayan, ang malupit dito, kasi grabe po yung price ni BNB. Sabi ko nga, may prediction na mag 4 digits yan in US dollars. So, who knows, diba? So, that's all, guys. And I'll keep you posted with regards to this account. Okay, just stay in my channel lang. And I'll see you all in the next videos. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.